Agaro Cosmic Plus Sonic electric toothbrush package includes a USB charging cable, an intertendal brush, and a total of 4 nylon deodorant heads, along with an IPX7 waterproof handy travel case that contains the toothbrush itself, a brush head, and a plastic protective cover. The Agaro Cosmic Plus features a simple interface with a power button, 5 mode indicators, and a charging light. Attaching the deodorant head is easy using a secure twist and lock mechanism. Powered by a USB rechargeable battery, a quick 4-hour charge lasts up to 25 days. Under the hood, it utilizes advanced sonic technology, delivering 40,000 strokes per minute to pulse water between teeth, breaking up plaque 3x more efficiency than a manual brush. The W-counted deopened nylon bristles are used designed to fit your teeth shape, ensuring to deep clean even in hard to reach areas. In the white mode, effectively removes surface stains. In the clean mode, designed for daily use to keep teeth spotless. In sensitive mode, provides gentle care for delicate gums. In the polish mode, enhances natural shine for a brighter smile. And finally, in the last mode, massage soothes and comforts sensitive gums. Powered by superior sonic technology that generates 40,000 strokes per minute to effectively demolish deep tooth dirt. The device also includes an interdental brush head designed for cleaning between teeth and extremely hard to reach areas. To ensure an even clean, the Agaro electric toothbrush has a smart timer that prompts you to switch zones every 30 seconds before automatically shutting off after 2 minutes. Designed for convenience, this toothbrush remembers you last used mode. And an IPX7 waterproof rating that ensures easy washing. This is Agaro Cosmic Plus electric toothbrush review, and this is for people who desire whiter teeth and cleaner teeth, for better plaque removal, for sensitive teeth, and also for to soothe the sensitive gums. It's really good product, guys. I'm really liking this electric toothbrush from Agaro, which is Cosmic Plus. Really good. You can definitely try this out. The product link is in the description. You can check out the pricing and availability. And this is Sampath, guys. You're watching Sampath Soundeffects Pro YouTube channel. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.